show you how easy it is to make an order from Dubby, our very first partner for our channel. So let's go. Are you looking for a tub? Yes, we're looking for tubs. Rainbow sherbet. I've never seen that brand before. I think I need to start paying attention more to their Facebook posts. And by the way, if you haven't seen my Facebook, go over there and take a look at it if you're on Facebook, if you want to. These tubs, they're $39 per tub, but you get 30 servings per tub, so it's actually cheaper than canned energy drinks. It tastes better. They're easy to mix. I'll just go ahead and tell you some of my favorite flavors so far I've had. I really want to try this retro sherbet. The blue raz is really good. The Dub sauce is pretty good. This wasn't my favorite flavor, but it's still good. This bleeding orange, insanely good. Japanese yuzu, love it. Tastes like lemonade to me. I haven't had this one. Lunar margarita, strawberry, non-alcoholic strawberry margarita. It actually sounds pretty good if you like margaritas. I don't. Honeydew and white grape. Sounds good. I do like this Galaxy grenade. My wife loves the Dub sludge and Grandpa's Ninja water. We buy 3 tubs of that at a time usually. I have not had a chance to try this one. I really do want to try it though. Imagine that's probably close to that sherbet one. Let's see, we'll come back. Peach and Beach is sold out. It's always sold out. That's one I really want. I've been contemplating on the s'mores flavor. I'm not big on mixing stuff with milk. You have to mix that one with milk, so I'm not a big fan. The Push and Punch was good. So I haven't tried I haven't had the Tiger's Blood or the Blue Raz Purple Grape. These hydros, all 3 flavors are amazing. So if you guys get an opportunity to try Grandpa's Grenade, Cranberry Splat, or the grapefruit citrus, do it. You'll be happy you did. So I'm gonna go 1, 2. So these hydros, they're also caffeine free. Don't know. That's sold out. We did 3 hydros. Pretty loaded on the actual caffeinated ones. We still have, I believe we have 2 of these in the pantry and 1 of these unopened in the pantry. I have 1 of these at work.
With God as our guide,
my wife has 1 of these on the counter. That's on the counter. Opened, not finished yet. So I think stay there.
Every trail we wander, every dream you see.
Again, let's go to our bag here.
Adventure is stirring deep.
So, check out. I want to add a hat. Discount code.
This is Dadventures Unleashed. Hearts open wide, faith, family, and fun with the Lord by our side. Oh, Dadventures Unleashed, come join the ride, where the wild meets the wonder of life. Dadventures
Use code Dadventures, save you 10% on your order. That's where I'm going to leave you guys on this. So if you enjoy the content, please like, subscribe. You're not going to get any of my PayPal information, my credit card information, or anything from this order. So you'll have a good one, and check Dubby out today.
like the video? Drop a comment and subscribe for more Dadventures.